Hey, how far? See my guys then. Hello. All the niggas from everywhere, all the niggas from all 36 states in Nigeria. Hello. It's your boy again, Mr. Gist. This is the King's Don Comedy Gist. I take him again, King's Don Comedy Gist. aka Mr. Gist. We only give comedy gist, as in you know get where the gist they happen. We go bring her in the comedy style. The reason we say we got to be excited now. We no go the verse every now and there. You understand? Even doctors don't still make us understand. Say you get the work where laughter they do for body. So if we no laugh, we too gay. Oh but I'm gonna get problem now. I'm a boy, you no get problem. I'm gonna get you no get problem. You where they watch me, you get problem. But the problem, the matter be say, as you still get this problem, so you guys they believe one thing, say God dey because I make the solution. You know get. So now I make we they use this old method said they bring gist into comedy style to you know, to remove your worries and stuff like that. Anyways, to cut the long story short, we could go to the direct matter where it shock me, where like say now what you make me say I won't come relate to my fellow countrymen. I dey tell you don't be play. Just yesterday, this one sup oh but if I make I put my pants but I no gree pull am. I dey tell you, share excitement carry me now let me go encourage myself, man, not too by say don't make they come check me. Say like say Mr. G, you get wetin you call the sup I say make I go airport yesterday make I know say I want travel you understand? Because we totally happen now to travel go everywhere you get be. They will repatriate even our government come back say make they come organize their country where they all know say in Nigeria your matter don't get be for there. You never see the way to the book come back like Jagaba. He said I be Jagaba. You never see the way come back. Like they push come back for the latest gist way they so. I heard tell low and below. You know what I see? No man shock you. You know what I see? How dare me not to tell you? No, Shekan, how dare me not to tell you? Genevieve, you just grab me. I saw they grab me so. I want vex so. What's on this babe? Sure, I say Jenny, he say I say Jenny, he say Mr. Gist. I say Jenny, you be celeb now. You what did they happen? Say you grab me na local man. He say you like me, say you observe me since. I say you observe me since. Sure. I said, now what do you mean? I said, that social I go yesterday, the vision what they give me and they happen so. I let me tell her. It's just a toast me. If I be like feel for my eye, I said maybe at the cinema. I said, Genevieve toast me. No shout out, no shout out, small, no shout out. He toast me. I say, oh boy. I won't call blush, but I said no. Come in a guy. I couldn't like say, what you want? I could say, you say like me. This. I said, Genevieve, you want to the wine me now? No, as in you want to the. I want you want. I don't get now. Anyway, you beg man. Now we alone in Yakwa. I said, Genevieve, we alone in Yakwa. You want use me play? He said, no, he likes me. I said, they settle Genevieve will matter for and in here don't come. Now me gonna ask myself, say, which kind of water me use bath? You dey get? My brother, I don't bath for the matter. Near to come. So me I go there as I sit near so maybe she walk up, settle matter say Genevieve they do you na celeb now why they want to do yourself for where Mr. G's dey? You want to tell Mr. G's direct say you know person what as maybe Mr. G's tell you direct say nah he like you. But you know, say, you should be like, say, now like 8 women to 1 man. Then you don't start your matter. You don't say, you know, we talk about like you say, you love me. I offend. I wake up again. I wake up again. They hold me for the 2-1. One hold me for right, one hold me for left. I said, okay, I said, don't be like this now. I don't understand. What you don't make I do so? You love me, you like me. He say make I wear am. Say love strong past life. I say let me to talk not to activate am. Una they subscribe, but he never deactivated. I don't understand. Anyway, they say, what are you saying? What are okay, I can say as me, I be full big guy. I need the one job myself for the matter. I say even the just say don't find that babe, but that babe in backside now 4G. As in, if let's say reach like 4.5G, as in the backside legit. What about the front? 80k. I said before B makes it that one you no need to worry yourself. Anytime you want to up here, you go to dreams a day paradise. I saw this thing happen. Of course, okay, make I go to my yoku run their 2 matter once. You dey get coming. I know guys though. I don't want miss opportunity. Genevieve dey okay. You dey okay. My yoku so that anytime I want run matter, na me go Jamie do. Their two go dey sack. Just select you know, from one party to another. So I just run the matter. But my guys, I don't go lie, something shocked me even in the process. This one will shock me. I ain't pay me pass. As I enter room with them, as I enter room with the two of them, I don't, Genevieve don't, they don't ready for me. Even myself, I don't, now only my pants there remain. So now they pull her. Because my Mr. Right don't do alright. You don't legit, you don't ready for work. So now they enter work. As I jump enter the bed. The hear gist too. I wake up. I could say I talk say na dream. But what it shocked me be say instead for that dream, when I dream, I can't see the dream. Because they wake me for that dream when I day. Even when I day inside dream. I can't wake up. And one noise. NTA News. Now wake me up. I don't tire for this country. Anything way better to one so. Nigeria channel, their government will come with G's way no make sense. But anyway, that matter thing they hurt me. Make it for no loss. I will console myself, especially in Nigeria, because I felt bad. I wanted to walk, but they don't let me walk. But no yawa. Hello my fellow guys, my fellow countrymen, men and women, everybody where they watch. Is your guy aka Mr. Gist. This is Kingsdom Comedy Gist. I mean the guy where they bring gist all over the world. Anyhow the gist won't be. We will find out. Don't say it's even for graveyard, we go bring the gist come outside. To relate to the living souls then. Will make sense to us. Omo, make it for no loss. So until we meet again, catch you all. I was saying I throw kisses, but I don't know where now guys now they watch this one. So now sweet babe that want to throw kisses give you. I beg you, I'll dare me to try it. To throw kisses go give guys. Nigeria single constitution. Okay, we go later go America constitution. Americans say their own ain't worst. No level for that side. Man they run man, woman they run Uber. But I dare me to try it. Who I be? But my kisses goes to all the fine chicks. Because I love the babies. I love the chicks. How dare me not to give you gist. Until we meet again, take care. It's your guy, Mr. Gist. Pumpkin.